going to be making a vegetarian pasta with Chef Oliver. Let's go.
Hey guys, so today we're making a vegetarian pasta. We're gonna make some pesto sauce with walnut, with some dry herbs and some fresh herbs. We're gonna mix together with some olive oil and we're gonna put that in the blender. And then we're gonna make our pesto sauce. So check it out, guys. Got some garlic right here. Little garlic in. Green onion. Mixture of dry herbs that I got here, guys. Pretty good mixture. Put some of that in there. Walnuts. This is Parmesan Romano cheese. Put a couple teaspoons in there. Maybe 3. Some fresh basil right here, guys, from my garden. Some of that in there too. And we'll pour in the olive oil. It's about half a cup of olive oil with all that stuff. It's extra virgin olive oil. It's like about a half a cup.
Can we see inside?
Just carry the camera away. Hold the camera down there. Put some salt in it, guys. Your sea salt, taste. Fresh cracked pepper. There you go, guys. That's your pesto sauce right there for the pasta. So with this pasta today, guys, it's a vegetarian pasta with a pesto sauce made from dry herbs, fresh herbs, basil, some scallion in there, some thyme, and some oregano and parsley and a whole bunch of other herbs in there. You know, it's really good. And then, so we're gonna pair it up with some veggie pasta here. This is the brand we like, veggie pasta here. This one, it's very good. It's all made from vegetable. I think it's about half the serving size of vegetable for each person. So this is a real good pasta here. I'm going all vegetable all the way out. We're also gonna have some in our pasta today. We're gonna have some mushroom, some sauteed mushroom, and some sun-dried tomato. Sun-dried tomato and olive oil. We're all gonna combine everything together in the sauce, and it's gonna be good. Got our water over here going right now. Not ready as yet. Put in our pasta in a minute. Now guys, we're gonna put our pasta in for about 15 minutes. Put salt in there. Salt, some salt in our pot. Let our pasta cook for 15 minutes. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut up some mushrooms. Onions. That's gonna be about it, guys. The pasta is there.
What's that?
So this is, we're going to steam some butternut squash. So pasta is ready. Pasta so it don't stick. For vegetable guys, I'm gonna put some thyme, some scallion in there. pour our vegetable in there. Now steam them real nice. But here we're gonna saute our mushrooms. We use that oil from the
Sun-dried tomatoes.
sun-dried tomato. Some onions in there. Olive oil. Pepper. So basically, guys, I just wanna saute this mushroom, and I don't want too much juice to come out of them. So as you notice, I don't put any salt in there yet. Because when you put salt on the mushroom, it tends to start letting out a lot of juice and a lot of water start coming out, and then you won't get the same cook. Like if I cook it right now, like we're sauteing them without no salt, it's just pepper. And we're gonna saute that together and reduce it down without having too much water, and it's gonna be a nice flavor right now. So, like that for now. So you notice, guys, our mushroom cook and it got that beautiful kind of golden color, like, look at it. So now, that's how you want it. If you had put salt in it already, then you wouldn't get it to cook like this. You'd have a lot of water all over. Then you wouldn't get that texture. It would be a whole different texture from this one. So this one is almost like pan roasted mushroom. And now we're going to add some sun-dried tomato in there. Pesto. Guys, that's your pesto sauce right there. Also go ahead and add a little bit of vegetable stock. Make your sauce. There's a steam squash right there. This one right there, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make an order of this.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Alright guys, like, comment, share and subscribe.